Well, Craig, you go from here with a point in possibly the most unexpected way. How do you feel after that?
Still probably in a little bit of shock with how we played out the last number of minutes. I felt we were the better team today, I have to be honest, and that's no disrespect at all. I thought we really controlled the game. Could have made one or two better decisions in the final third, but still had goal cleared off the line. Sober has a great chance, so you might get limited chances, but our play, I felt, deserved to create more chances. But I have to be honest, I was really pleased with today's performance. Now, of course, I want results, and to walk away here with a point after today does leave me disappointed, but in the manner, I have to accept.
You talk a lot about how you want to see your players reacting to any scenario on the pitch. The way they reacted to going 1-0 down in injury time must delight you.
It's going to give us such strength, because I would have understood it for them to be really disappointed to have that much control of the game. They didn't create anything really. I'm definitely aware of their counter-attacking ability, but I never felt I was living, this could happen. Actually I thought Kazakhstan was a little bit more, but at the same time, to see their reaction, even if you watch them when the ball's gone, they're in the line ready, and it was just like, come on, we could do something. I didn't realise how late it was, but at the same time, I don't know, I think the group has strength. They've proved that over a number of years, but today was just, I don't know, I'm still in shock, to be honest.
I can imagine that you are, yeah. Obviously you wanted all 3 points, but to get that goal in the manner that you got it must give you momentum now going ahead. You're not ending this camp on a negative.
Look, I've got to be honest, after the performance, it wouldn't have been a negative for me, and that's the honest truth. I really liked us today. I thought it's one of the best performances since I've been here. To come to a team that a lot of people fancied here, and I understand why. A very difficult place to come and play football, and we know the circumstances that happened. And of course we have our respects to that, but we were here to play football. We were here to try and win, to get the 3 points. I thought our play definitely deserved that, but football can end up, it can be a cruel game at times, but I don't know, when you got courage like that, like I know they feel disappointed, they shouldn't, because I think a point's a very good point for them.